So welcome to the brand new tutorial on how to develop Android apps for beginners. So in this video I will explain how to design and set the app icon in Android Studio. So let us see the design specifications. So these are the specifications that you need in order to design an app icon. So we are not graphic designers, right? So we need some tools which we need to design icon. So I will explain one website. In this you can create logos. So that is canva.com. So search for canva.com in Google and log in here. So after logging in, so click on design. So after that you will click on custom designs. So the design specifications, we know that the width and height is 512. So type 512 as width and 512 as height. So set width and height as 512. So after setting the width and height, click on create design. Now you will be redirected into another window in which you can find the pre-built templates. So these are the templates which are offered by Canva. So in these tutorials we are making a book app as one of the project. So we are starting this project from the next week. So we will design an icon for that project. So the book app which is related to education, right? So select the type education. So we got suggestions here which is education logo. So these are the educational logos which are offered by Canva. So select the one which matches your taste. So I will select this as my icon. So after that select this one to rename it. So I will name this app as book app. So book app. So I will rename it as by learning lives. So I set this as a icon. So this is book app, right? So we need to show a book, at least a book in this, right? So go to elements and search here for a book. You will get some elements, some are free and some are premium. So I will select this one and make this as center. So this is my icon. So design as per your taste. So after completing your design, so click on publish and click download. So select file type as PNG and click download. So save it in your PC. So we need some icons in our app, right? So in order to find that icons, I will explain about other soft website which is flat icon, in which you get icons for free and some are free premium too. So we will go with the free icons. So select the type of icons which you need. So we are doing educational apps, so I will type as education here. So click on educational icons. So you can see some premium versions which are this, and we will get more free icons here. So this website has really cool icons. So we will make use of them in further tutorials. So now we will go to Android Studio and set the icon. So in order to set the icon, select Java folder and right click, select new. So and select the image asset which is right here. So click on image asset. So this is the default icon that we get. So now we will change. So there is an option called path here. So select path, click on the folder icon. So now go to the path which you have downloaded. So I will select desktop here. So I saved my icon on desktop. So I named my icon as BA. So I will select that and click on OK. So after selecting, it will ask for you can resize the icon. So select the resize slider. So resize as it matches exactly. So now my icon matches exactly in circle and rounded square icons. So there are other options such as text also. You can type text, that is like book. So we don't really choose it. So maximum we will go with the image. So let us go with image. So go for background layer, and there is nothing to do from background layer. So after that go to legacy, which is right here, and select circle here. So the circle icons will really are really cool. So select circle. So after selecting circle, click on next here. So this is how our icon looks like. So after that click on finish. So that's it. Now we will successfully set the icon. So in order to see icon, I will run my AVD manager. So click on run here. Now I will skip the part and show you. So this is how our icon looks like. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So in order to get more support, join our WhatsApp group. The link is in description. Thank you.